Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a good frozen margarita. First, gather your core ingredients: 2 ounces of Blanco tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 1 ounce of orange liqueur. These proportions create a balanced base. Next, measure out 1.5 cups of ice. The right amount of ice is crucial for achieving that ideal frozen consistency. Now, let's get blending. Always add your liquid ingredients to the blender first, followed by the ice. This helps the blades catch everything evenly. Blend on high speed until the mixture is perfectly smooth and has a thick, slushy consistency. Be careful not to overblend, as this can melt the ice and make your margarita watery. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Want to customize your margarita? Try adding 1/4 cup of frozen fruit, such as strawberries or mango, for a delicious fruity variation. If you prefer a sweeter drink, a 1/2 ounce of agave nectar or simple syrup can be added to taste. Don't forget to rim your glass with salt or sugar for that classic extra touch. Once blended, immediately pour your frozen margarita into chilled glasses. This helps keep it cold and prevents it from melting too quickly. A fresh lime wedge or a slice of the fruit you used makes a perfect garnish. Serve your perfectly blended, refreshing frozen margarita right away to enjoy its optimal texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.